Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out with the most efficient way to farm iron in Minecraft. There's a couple things you can do here. Iron spawns a lot in mountain biomes, pretty much at any layer, but if you're not near one or you just don't have the time, just go down to Y level 15, and I'll show you right now. You want to press F3 on your keyboard, and the XYZ should be, well, X and Z whatever, but Y should be level 15. So right here I've got a nice elevator. This one will bring me to the layer of iron, that one to diamonds. For the sake of this video we're gonna go down the iron one. And we'll make it to a nice strip mine, a little one where I've already found about a stack and a half of iron just in this little bit right here. If I turn on the X-ray mod, you will also see that there's a lot of iron ore all around us. As you can see, it's basically everywhere. This is a very good layer for iron. And yeah, I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.